Well, it's a windy day today here in New Mexico. The winds are supposed to gust up between, look at the tree, 50 to 75 miles an hour today. So I wanted to give another update for my little sun porch garden. I sprouted the fava beans. They're coming up real nicely. And then today, this is two different kinds of the eggplant, and then of course green chili. Gotta love the green chili. I can't believe how well these container gardens are doing. I mean, they're better, they're coming up better than I had expected. And I was hoping to get in the garden today and put in my cold vegetables. Look how these peas are just going crazy. I need to get them in the dirt. But another reason why I'm putting a video so soon is, okay, this is ginger. And I just bought a nice plump piece from the grocery, but you can see the rhizome. It's going to put out a nice little branch. I need to put this guy in a bigger planter though. Okay, well, I hope everyone's having a good day, and I hope I don't blow away.